Hey guys, welcome to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest board public. So to do that, first head on to Pinterest website. Alright, so once you're here on the right hand side you can see your profile picture. Click here, click on your profile, and over here you can see two options, created and saved. So here we have this board which is a secret board. Just click here, and as you can see this secret board over here. So if you want to make this board public, all you have to do is click on these three icons. Now all you have to do is click on edit board and scroll down until you see this option for keep this board secret. All you have to do is untick this and then click on show pins inspired by this board on your home feed. Now all you have to do is click on done. There you go, now your board is public. So that is how you can make your Pinterest